Today I'm gonna show you how you can earn $100 and more per day by using Google Maps. So, without wasting time, let's start our video, but before that, subscribe to Unique Earnings for more earning videos. I'm going to use Google Maps on my desktop. You can also use this trick in your Android or an iOS device. So first of all, go to Google Maps. Here click on Layers, and here you will get different options. Click on Satellite View and you will see your screen something like this. Now here, if I will click anywhere, I will get the photos for that place. Now you have to explore map and click on any point in maps to find an attractive image. Now once you choose the image, take a screenshot of image. Repeat this process for 15 to 20 times. More you will work, the more your earnings will increase. Now we have many of images with us. Now you have to change the name of your images. Simply go Properties and rename your photos with any names you want. Now I will tell you top 4 apps on which you can sell these images and earn lots of dollars, which can pay you up to $5 per image. I will tell you process for any one application, and same process you have to follow on other 3 apps if you want to increase your earnings. You can get links of all apps from description box and comment box. Download application Shutterstock on your device, or you can use the website. Make sign up on website and log in into your account. Here, to upload images, click on Add button on top right corner, and here you can upload images. You can see your earnings on the section of earnings. Same process you have to follow on all 4 websites to increase your earnings. Hope you liked today's video. Subscribe Unique Earnings for more earning videos.